Hi you guys, it's Miss T here and I'm back with another V to the I to the D-E-O. That's right, I'm back with another video, y'all. So if you miss me, you don't have to wait any longer. And today I have another beauty box unopening for you, okay? Today we were gonna be opening the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. If you've been around for a while watching my channel, you know that I normally just get the IPSY Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, and it's usually full of sample products. But this month I decided, hey, we're gonna splurge just a little bit. We're gonna move on up to the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Now, y'all, this is a $25 a month box, okay? $25 a month. Well, it's still a bag. It's still supposed to be a bag in here, but it's $25 a month. Now, we need to talk about that because, see, $25, that's a big chunk of change. That's like 5 drinks down there at the Starbucks, and I love my Starbucks, so y'all, I done splurged this month, okay? And don't be surprised when we have to bump back down to just that $12 bag, y'all. Don't be surprised y'all get back on here and we back in that $12 bag. Miss T don't know how long she gonna be able to keep this $25 stuff up, okay? I'm just gonna let you know before we even get started that Miss T can't commit to no $25 a month, y'all. I just can't do that. But anyway, we'll get it for the next couple of months. See if it's any good. You know, if the benefits outweigh the monetary value, then Miss T will find a way to keep the box coming. But if it don't outweigh the monetary value, then y'all, Miss T gonna have to let it go. Miss T might have to just let it go. So let's go ahead and break our way into this box, y'all. They promised us at least $120 worth of product a month. That's what they promised us, all right? So I haven't been inside of the box. I don't know what's inside of the box. It's my first time opening it. Y'all see? Y'all see it's my first time? It's my first time opening the box. I've never been inside of one of these boxes, y'all. I've never been in one of these. I don't know what we got. But we got all full-size products. All full-size products. So, it says right here on the box, you know, discover yourself. Yeah, this is all about self-care. I do this for my own personal self-care, y'all. I work every day. I take care of my daughter. I deserve a little something, you know, special for me. This is for me. And I do this for me. So this is our bag, y'all. It says unstoppable. Now, y'all, that bag real small. I was wondering why the stuff was just laying in the box and wasn't inside of the bag. All right, y'all. Give me a tea just a second here. Miss T done dropped some of the stuff outside of the box. I mean, it happens. It happens. I'm a human. I'm trying to get this done for us, okay? All right. So, let's go ahead and let's kind of see what we got inside of this box. Yeah, that kind of threw me off just a little bit. Throwing my stuff all over the floor. I got thrown off just a little bit. But anyway, yeah, I know what I was saying. I was saying this bag can't hold all these products that they sent us. So they just throw the products in the box and then they just put the little small bag inside of here. And when I was getting the IPSY Glam Bag, you know, that was just last month. The bag was about this size. It's about the same size. This one is leather. It's nice. It's super cute. And maybe some of these products would fit, but some of these products, yeah, they just ain't gonna fit. All right? They just ain't gonna fit. But since I already picked it up, the first thing that I want to show y'all is this here Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser from Glam Blow. Hollywood, California. Glam Blow, y'all. We've had some Glam Blow products before, so we already know that's going to be a good product. I wonder, can we smell? Ooh, yeah. Ooh. It don't smell like nothing. It just don't smell like nothing. I tried to squeeze a little bit without squeezing it out. You see that? Well, I guess it'll be a good cleanser. It sure won't be too overpowering on smell because it don't smell like nothing. Anyway, let's move on here. The next thing we got in our box is this Auto Balm Day to Night, y'all. Days to Night Shadows on the Go. Now, I was able to pick one product that would be inside of this box this month, and this is the product that I picked. So let's open it up because it looked pretty interesting online. Look pretty interesting. Oh, y'all, they done sent Miss T something she can't get into. They done sent Miss T something all right. You gonna just note to self, you're gonna need a little something extra to get into it, all right? Okay. Y'all, That's what we have. We got this right here. Got some black primer, then a couple of shadows. It's so cute. Hollywood, Las Vegas. Oh, Wall Street, Lombard Street, Haight Street, Madison Avenue, and Beacon Street. That's what the colors are themed after. That's cute, y'all. It says, objects may be more beautiful than they appear. I certainly hope so, because like I said, I chose this one, and I'd hate for it to be a dud, and I'd be wishing I chose something else, and I can't go back and choose nothing else, because once you get these boxes in, it kind of is what it is. It is what it is. All right, y'all, we got all of these products again. I should have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It looks like there's 6 things in this box. Move it out. So we have this Aluna Liner here. It's water resistant. It's a water resistant liquid eyeliner. Okay. It's vegan. No mineral oil, no parabens, no whatever that is. Y'all, it's no gluten. It's hypoallergenic. And it's made with kale and ginkgo and biloba extracts. Y'all, it's gonna be some real good stuff. I'm gonna be real healthy. And they have not tested it on animals. That means I guess they finna test it on me. It's alright. It's alright. Let's go on and y'all, this is hard to get into. We didn't want to shake it out on the floor. That's our Aluna Liner. I'm not gonna open it all the way, y'all. It's a liquid eyeliner. Well, let's go on and we better open it because y'all know I hate to keep opening all of these liquid eyeliners. I get a liquid, I'm not gonna open it because I got like 3 or 4 liquid eyeliners open right now. I just can't use them all at the same time. And I don't want to use them all up. Just in case I have to go back to $12 bag next month, then I won't have no eyeliner. I'll be out here wishing that I had this one. I'll be done used it up. It'll be done dried up. So I'm gonna leave the paper on there. And y'all, if it's anything good, I'll bring it back out one day and show y'all, you know, that it's good stuff. All right. Okay. We got this hemp sweet pineapple and honey melon lotion, y'all. Oh wait. Hydrate and refresh. 100% natural hemp seed oil. Y'all know my hands always ashy. They always ashy. It's okay. Let's go and put a little of that on our hand. It's just a little low. Yeah, herbal body moisturizer. Herbal body moisturizer. Yeah, oh y'all, look at there. Look at it. Miss T fingers now don't. Oh, look at that. Oh, y'all. We not ashy no more. We not ashy no more. That's all right. That's good. That's real good. Next we have this. Oh, y'all, we got a brush. Y'all see that? Okay. Let's take our brush out. Oh, y'all, my hands just smell so good. Y'all, that's the truth. If you're looking for some good smelling hand lotion, dang. I'm so good. I'm smelling myself, y'all. I fall in love with myself with that stuff on. My gosh, that smells good. All right. Now got me smelling the brush like the brush don't smell like anything. Okay? Y'all, disregard that. Y'all know Miss T a little crazy out here. Anyway, this is that's a concealer brush, y'all. Now, I'm going to be out here using this because it says precision concealer. That's going to be good because get right up on that eye with that. I've been needing something like that. Perfect. All right, it's a $25 bag ain't bad. So far, the $25 bag has not failed to impress. It has not failed to impress. Let's stick that on back in there. Y'all, hoo-wee, honey. The last thing we got up in here is this Yansa Super 8 Lip Oil. Y'all see that? The Yansa Super 8 Lip Oil. Oh, no, y'all. Let's get in there. Let's go. Let's go on there. Y'all, they be making it hard for Miss T. I can't get into nothing. I can't get into none of this stuff. There must be some real good. I just had to. Y'all see. I had to tear that up to get into it. I just can't get into nothing. Ooh, y'all. Super 8 lip oil. Now, y'all, I like lip oils. Oh. Oh. Now my hands. Oh, y'all. Okay. I didn't think we were gonna get into it. My hands were so nice and moisturized from that lotion. I didn't think we were gonna get into it. Y'all, that tastes good. At least it smells like it tastes good. Yeah. Super 8 lip oil. I'm sold on it. I like that right there. So y'all, let's see how much some of this product been costing us out here, okay? Let's see how much some of this product costs. Yes, y'all, we gotta check it out. We gotta see what we got. So, well, I thought we was gonna see what we got, y'all. All right, so that lip oil that we just put on, that I'm so excited about, full-size product, y'all, by this company called Yinsa, has a MSRP, they say. Well, the retail value, you know, retail value is 28 bucks. 28 bucks, y'all. That's really good oil. Yeah, that's living up to its name. I can feel it. It's a really good oil. So we gonna go on another further with it. Then this Glam Blow, Hollywood, California Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, y'all. This good stuff right here. $34. $34. Y'all, this box already paid for itself. It's already paid for itself twice. Both of those products was more than 25 bucks. It's already paid for itself. My gosh, y'all. I'm feeling good about this box. Now, it's paid for itself 3 times. This brush is $26. Remember, the box is only 25 bucks. Okay? The box is only 25 bucks. It's paid for itself 3 times. Y'all, okay. Y'all, I might be getting this box a little more than I thought I would. Y'all, I'm gonna have to make my coffee at home. I ain't gonna be able to go to Starbucks. I'm about to start making a cup of coffee at the house. All right. Well, I'm gonna be at the house anyway this month. Y'all know, gonna be at the house, quarantined a little bit. That's okay. That's okay. I probably, you know, I know, y'all, it's done paid for itself 4 times. $26.50. $26.50, y'all. Y'all, this box right here, as y'all can tell, I'm getting way more excited than I thought I was gonna get over this box. Y'all, I'm just amazed at how, you know, $26.50. Come on, y'all. Come on, that's ridiculously great. They don't tell us how much this stuff is right here. I don't know why. I don't know why they hanging on to that pricing like that. That's all right. I don't see the pricing down here on this one. Give me just a second. I might be able to get it for us. We'll just go on to our next product. This eyeliner that they got here. It is the Seraphine Botanicals Lunar Liner. Seraphine Botanicals Lunar Liner. And it's going for $18, y'all. So we know we at least got 3 products in the box that were okay. Now I just realized something. So this one says sample, not for sale. It doesn't count as one of our 5 products. Our 5 products in the box that we would be basing the value of our box off would be, of course, the liner. It would be the Glam Glow. Yes, upside down. Yeah, that was upside down. And it would be this eyeshadow palette, the lip oil, yeah, and the brush that we got here. So this is kind of like a freebie that they threw inside of our box this month. So y'all, I'm not even mad with them. Look at that. Look. Y'all see how much stuff we got in this box right here for $25? Okay. I ain't mad. So y'all, I'm gonna leave the subscription set on this Glam Bag Plus at least until next month, y'all. At least until next month. I'm gonna take some of this coffee money that I'm saving this month since I can't really get out the house, and I'm gonna buy us another box. And we're gonna come back here next month, and we're gonna see whether or not they disappoint us in April. Because since our first time getting the box, you know, they may have been trying to impress us since it's the first time that we got the box. So we just want to make sure it ain't no shenanigans, no funny stuff going on here. So we'll have to test it out by getting the box more than once. So next month, we'll go ahead and get this Glam Bag Plus. Remember, the box is $25. They're promising us at least $120 in product a month. So we're gonna see if they keep this up next month. All right, you guys. Well, I know we've had a great time. I'm going to let you guys go. Well, I'm not going to let you guys go. I mean, you guys grown. I mean, or even if you're not grown, you have the ability to cut this video off at any time you want to. But I appreciate you sticking with me and watching this video all the way to the end. If you didn't subscribe at the beginning of the video, or if you didn't hit that notification bell at the beginning of the video, y'all go ahead and do that for Miss T. All right, Miss T will be bringing y'all plenty of more videos in the future, and I want to make sure that you don't miss them, okay? All right, you guys. Well, you all have a good day, and see you next time.